This video I'm gonna do a quick review on this Torque disc lock, which is more than I thought. I really thought was just about this bit here being locked on the disc mounted in one of these holes here, and yeah, making the bike unable to roll. But it also has a couple of extras, which is it's got an alarm, just a shock and movement alarm. Apparently it's 110 decibels in sound, the noise, which we'll test it in a minute. And yeah, it comes with 2 keys, two sets of spare batteries, and a reminder cord. That's what I would call it. Yeah, a cord that reminds you that it's on, so you don't take off with it to do any damage to your bike. So let's try it on. I'll put the camera somewhere so you can hopefully see what I'm doing here. Just fit this cord through all the way to the end there, and then as you can see, when you push, that bit comes out and we'll go through these holes here, and then you just lock it like that. So if I just push that thing, that's the motion. Whoops. That's the alarm. So first it starts to beep to if he gets a little bit of movement, that little cylinder that comes out, and then if you really if you hit again, which is attempting of trying to roll the bike, then that noisy alarm comes off. So let's put it on. Just fit it through the hole and lock it. So this is what it looks like. So just through that hole. Whoop, I don't want that. Don't want the alarm to go off. And this one, then you fit it just around your handlebar if you can fit, or just around here, so when you come back to your bike, you see the cord and you go, oops, yep, I've got the lock on, and you don't want to take off with that. And that's it. Okay, that's the first alarm, and then if I move it again, the alarm goes off, and then the key just deactivates the alarm. So yeah, that's the lock. Thanks for watching.